Okay, look at the next standard derivatives of the trigonometric function. So already we know that derivative of constant is 0, x is 1, ax is a, minus ax is minus a, x power n is n into x power n minus 1, root x is 1 by 2 root x, e power x is e power x, e power ax is a into e power ax, a power x is a power x into log a, log x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by x, log x to base a ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by x into log a, sin x is cos x, sin ax is a cos ax, cos x is minus sin x, cos ax is minus a sin ax, tan x is secant square x, tan ax is a secant square ax. ಇಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಅನದರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So now what is that? Derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. Makla, don't get confusion. Derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. Agare secant ax ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಚೆ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ secant ax into what? tan ax. ಓನ್ಲಿ secant x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ secant x into tan x. secant ax ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a secant ax into tan ax. What about secant 2x ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this become what? 2 secant 2x into what? tan 2x. What about secant 3x? Come on, speak out. 3 secant 3x into what? tan 3x. What about secant 5x? That become 5 into secant 5x into tan 5x. Similarly we go for this cosecant x. cosecant ಅಂದಾಗ CO ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ CO ಇಂದ ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ cos ನೋಡಿ secant x is secant x into tan x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. That is a standard derivative that you know in the first PU only. Okay, d by dx of cosecant ax, that is a minus a cosecant ax into cot ax. What about cosecant 4x? Minus 4 cosecant 4x into cot 4x. What about cosecant 7x? Minus 7 cosecant 7x into cot 7x. What about cosecant 2x? Minus 2 cosecant 2x into what? Cot 2x. This is the standard derivatives and some of the illustrative example. And one more very important thing is there. What is that, sir? The last trigonometric function ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So that is cot x. Cot x ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ. So cot x ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ tan x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? secant square x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cot x cosecant square x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Along with what? Minus. So therefore I am going to write something here. I am going to write something. So that is d by dx of cot x and d by dx of cot ax. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ tan x is secant square x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cot x is minus cosecant square x. So derivative of cot ax is minus a cosecant square ax. Got my point? So this important standard and particular illustrative example, d by dx of cot 2x, d by dx of cot some 3x, d by dx of some cot 15x ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ? In general I can take derivative of cot is minus cosecant square. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cot 2x is minus 2 cosecant square 2x. Cot 3x is minus 3 cosecant square 3x. Cot 15x is minus 15 cosecant square 15x. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿರೈವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ sin x is cos x minus sin x, tan x secant square x, secant x is secant x into tan x, cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x, and cot x is minus cosecant square x. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾಗಾದ್ರೆ